everyone, I welcome you back to Silo Light Healing. So let us check what are the messages for you guys. Today I'm going to use the tarot deck as well as a new deck. So the very first card we have here is Five of Wands. Okay, so maybe you are thinking a lot about this person. Maybe you are thinking a lot these days. Okay, maybe you are overthinking. There are many issues around you. You have a lot on your platter. Okay, that is on your plate or platter to deal with. So you are staying busy, you are thinking about a lot of things, you are having a lot of stuff to deal with, you have a lot of things to manage, and you are not able to cope up with the same. You are being frustrated, you are getting frustrated, you are losing patience, and you are also losing hopes, you are losing all the expectations because of the frustration. So the reason of frustration could be something else, and you are getting angry on your person, maybe on the connection, you are wanting to give up or something, and you are thinking a lot about the particular issue that has been bothering you since maybe quite a few days, or maybe 1 day or 5 days, because it's Five of Wands. So maybe there are 5 things you are managing right now. Okay, so yeah, 5 number is important for you, and so your energy is such where you are staying worried and stressed. So the next card we have is the Judgment card, so I'll not be able to show you. So I get there are some court cases that you are handling since a few days. Maybe there is a divorce case that you are dealing with. Maybe there are some other court cases related to your business, or maybe whatever work you are doing. Maybe you are also tensed regarding your person and connection. Anything could be the case, but in the Judgment, I feel that it's going to be in the favor of the truth. And if you are honest and a very true person, you have pure intentions, you have had pure intentions till now, you are gonna win. So the Judgment is gonna be passed in your favor. And I also get hospital or something. Maybe you are not keeping well, your person is not keeping well, maybe they have taken care of you a lot when you are not keeping well in the past, and maybe you took care of them when they were not keeping well in the past, but when it was your turn to show up, you did not take care of them, or maybe you didn't even ask, you didn't even check up on them, or maybe the case could be otherwise as well. Okay, so you are regretting the same, but again, if you had true intentions, your person is going to understand, and they are going to forgive you for the same. Okay, so the next card that we have is Page of Swords. So there are some rash movements in the connection. Maybe something happened in the past, a lot of fights, a lot of you fought, maybe you guys started fighting while talking, or something happened suddenly and you had to stop completely, stop talking to them, or maybe they stopped talking to you. They enraged you or otherwise. Okay, and you had to stop the or cut the connection somewhere in the past. This could be the case, but do not worry. I also get with the Swords, I get communication, I get clear communication, honest and open communication. Okay, happening between the two of you, which would only help you, okay, to deal with the things in the connection, because you are just running away. I see you are just running away from the problems. You are not trying to solve them by sitting with your person and discussing with them. So with that card, I also get that you are not able to communicate with them. You should be truthful, you should be honest, you should be open, you should be transparent with your person, and you are somewhere ignoring or avoiding because of your insecurities, maybe your fear, or maybe you are afraid of the fights happening again between the two of you, and that is the reason why you are running away from communication. So you should once just have a talk with them. Maybe they are waiting for a text, maybe you are waiting for a text. Okay, and you should just go and have a talk. It could not always mean that it's just going to end in fights or some negative situation. Okay, it could even be positive, because we have the Sun card here. Okay, so it would be successful whatever is in on your mind. Okay, we have the Judgment card as well, so Judgment is going to be passed in your favor. Some good news, some kind of good news is coming in for you. We have Six of Wands, your person coming in your into your life with commitment. I don't know, there is some kind of truth which is hidden in the connection. You are not So I get the truth, some kind of truth is being hidden in the connection and you are not being open, or maybe your person could be doing the same. And here I only get you should communicate with them. Okay, because here if you want to take this relationship further, if connection you want to take this connection further, you are supposed to communicate and be transparent. Whatever you are feeling, you should share with them. Okay, so you are hiding things. Maybe there is a mask. I get there is a mask. They are portraying to be something, you know, somebody else and something different. They are having some qualities which they are fearing that you might not like, and they are just wearing a mask. Okay, a fake mask. So they are wearing a mask so as to hide their real self from you, and they are not able to communicate properly, and that is the reason why, you know, I am out of some words today. Or that could be the reason why I start, you know, making mistakes while speaking, because there is some truth hidden and your throat chakra is not open. Okay, it's blocked. So I think you should heal that first. You should clear the blockages. You can just have an open communication. That is the only one thing I get today, because they are wanting to come in with, you know, offering you with commitment, love, respect, everything that you have ever wanted, but you are not giving them a chance to come into your life. Okay, so next we have is sun card. So what you are afraid or of, you know, or fearing, it's not going to happen, so don't worry about the same. Okay, it's going to be very successful relationship, connection, long-term relationship. I get very help I said. I think there is some kind of help present around you. So again, I wanted to say a happy, long-lasting, long-term partnership, connection, relationship, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to name. Okay, it's going to be the case. Okay, it's going to be in your favor. It's going to work out. Definitely they are ready to fulfill all the promises that they have made to you, and they are not gonna cheat. So it was going to be a very joyful relationship between the two of you, a happy couple, and a very strong couple. I get beautiful, strong, powerful couple. I get, and it's going to end up in marriage if you are wondering about the same. Okay, so don't worry if there are any issues. Just talk it out with your person, and it could just, you know, bring out the solution that you have been looking for, and it's going to come because we have sun. So we have blessings of God. Yeah, as I say, we have blessings of Almighty God and angels. We have the Magician card. You have all the elements present. I also got the word help. So help, a third person present in form of help. So they might help you to reconnect with your person, and welcome them back in your life. And if there is no communication happening, you can take help of a person, or maybe there are other resources present, you know, to give them signs around you. There is everything present in your life. You are just, maybe you or your person is just finding excuses because of the fights, because of insecurities, because of trust issues, or maybe there are some wounds which are yet unhealed. So just work on yourself till then and be ready to welcome them with communication, with commitment. And please don't also nag about past issues. They wanted to take their time, and so they took their time to come back. Okay, I'm using other deck. Okay, I'm going to take 5 cards from that. Okay, first we have is merge with light, ignite keys and codes. So again we got, there is a light present inside of you. Maybe you are a light worker, you are a helper, you are healing people, you are reading tarot cards or something, or maybe you are into spirituality, you are a religious person, maybe anything could be the case. But the flame or the spark is reignited in the connection. It's going to reignite. And also I get, you are supposed to heal yourself. Okay, there is some kind of fear based ego coming in the way. Please don't do that. Okay, if you love this person, otherwise it's okay. Okay, next we have is invoke the cosmic diamond violet flame, transmute all that is not love. So just remove all that is blocking your love to come towards you, blocking you from going to your person. Okay, just don't think about anything, transmute all the negativity and just work on your happiness, work on what is making you happy, what you needed all your life. Okay, what kind of a person you have dreamt of, what kind of love you wanted, you always wanted. So yeah, remove everything which is not serving you. Only focus on the person who is making you happy and who is making efforts to make you happy. Knowingly, unknowingly, you are somewhere hurting them, I get, but please don't do that. Okay, if they are making, really they are making efforts for you, even one effort, a little effort made for our loved ones counts. So please don't ignore or avoid them, and please work on yourself, on your healing, so as to make your intuition powerful and stronger, so that you can start understanding the connection. If you are not letting go of the fears and insecurities, it's not moving forward, and it's just going to be painful for both of you. Fine, so you are supposed to move forward. Next we have is participate and belong, enrich your life. So if you are staying away from people, if you are not able to socialize much because of past hurt or pain or something, because you are an introvert person, then please don't do that. Please indulge with new people, meet new people. So you can just meet your friends, you can meet your family members, if that could heal. Maybe there is a meeting with your family, I said, or maybe you guys are gonna meet very soon. Okay, and next I have is create perfect health, access divine abundance. So whatever you are dreaming about, maybe you are working on your health, you are health conscious, okay, on your fitness, and following a healthy routine as well, exercising a lot, and it's all gonna pay off very soon. Also, it's all coming in abundance. Okay, it's universe is gonna bless you with abundance. Act with honor and integrity, speak your truth. Again, I'm so whenever I read or channelize the cards, I always get a confirmation from my spirit guides that it's the correct thing that I'm interpreting, or that I am saying to my viewers or conveying to my viewers. So my interpretations are accurate most of the times because they are confirmed by the spirit guides and the universe. So we have speak your truth. Truth is hidden somewhere. Remove the mask, okay, and remove the fear of communication or communicating with your person. Maybe that is the only thing you need, that is communication. So please go and have a talk, have a word, communicate with your person. They are also waiting for the same, and it's all going to work out. Okay, whatever you're fearing of, it's not going to happen, because we have magician, we have sun card, it's all working out in your favor. Why are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? Okay, and why are you afraid? So please stop limiting yourself by following the limiting beliefs, or staying in that particular comfort zone of yours. Please step out of the same if you want to really work this connection out with this person. So yeah, this was your reading. I hope it helped somewhere. Thank you so much. If it resonated, please like our video, please comment below, and please subscribe to our channel, share the video as well. Thank you so much. Stay